Greetings, this is the OneCup support team. Welcome to our quick tutorial. Today we'll guide you through setting up your first loyalty card for regular customers. Let's begin on the main dashboard, where all vital loyalty statistics and engagement metrics are at your fingertips. To start, navigate to the card section in the left side menu and create a new card. We offer over 100 pre-designed templates catering to various local business niches. For this demonstration, I'll select a coffee shop loyalty card template. Next, select from our range of 8 distinctive loyalty program structures tailored to enhance your service experience. We provide 5 loyalty mechanics aimed at retaining existing clients and 3 designed for acquiring new customers through digital advertising and other channels. Let's choose the stamp card template as an example. It's a straightforward and popular option. The next step involves customizing the basic rules and settings of your loyalty card, which defaults to English. You have the option to create an ongoing loyalty program or specific short-term promotions for events like holidays or Black Friday. While setting the expiration date for your card, we recommend opting for no expiration date. This strategy prevents customers from uninstalling and reinstalling the card, ensuring it remains on their mobile devices. Keeping the card installed is beneficial for your business, as it allows for ongoing engagement through advertisement push notifications. You can also choose the duration of stamp life, determining how long stamps or rewards remain active for your customers, all based on your promotional program. Next, add your business locations to leverage geolocated notifications for cardholders, a powerful tool for local businesses. This feature is only enabled for iPhone users within a 300-foot radius of your business sites to receive push notifications, enhancing customer engagement in the vicinity of your locations. Next, select your preferred language for the card. The default primary language is set to English. Now let's move on to the customer data collection section. Customers are required to fill in these fields during the card installation process. It's advisable to have fewer fields for ease and speed of completion. This data is crucial for enabling personalized communication and improving the effectiveness of your business in areas like push notifications and marketing strategies. You can also incorporate UTM links for card distribution across various channels, including Facebook and Google Ads, offline or through partners. Customize the phone mask, privacy policy, and analytics. You can add your Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics codes to track open and conversion rates. This step is crucial for understanding your loyalty card's performance. Now let's move on to the design section. In this section, you can tailor the appearance of your card, beginning with setting the number of stamps required for a reward. By default, this is set to 10 stamps. Additionally, you have the option to customize the appearance of both active and inactive stamps. Choose from a variety of icons for active and inactive stamps or upload your own designs. Add your logo for enhanced brand visibility and push notifications, and adjust the background and colors to align with your brand identity. Finalize your card by customizing the description section. This includes the promotion name, how customers can earn stamps, and reward details. Add transactional push messages, initial stamp count, referral program details, and active links to your website or booking services. Collecting customer feedback and reviews on platforms like Google Maps and Yelp helps improve your online visibility. You'll then receive a QR code for your loyalty card, which can be downloaded and shared. Before launching and activating your card, it's crucial to conduct a test phase. This can be done by installing the card on up to 10 different devices, allowing you to ensure everything works seamlessly before it reaches your customers. Once you're confident with the card's performance and ready to go live, you can activate it. Remember, after the card is activated, you won't have the option to alter the card type or the terms of the loyalty program. Finally, after creating your digital loyalty card, you can download not only the ready-made promotional materials in A4 or A5 formats, but also the QR code. This QR code can be incorporated into various designs for enhanced sharing and visibility. All set. Your loyalty card is now ready for use.